Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chef Fran, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. And if you're a returning guest, well, thank you for hanging out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button by giving me a virtual hug. This will allow to continue to let my channel to grow. So today we're making a key lime pie smoothie, but a healthy version, because we have our wonderful collagen that's good for our hair, nails, and skin. So this is a protein collagen. And we have some avocado that's going to add to our creaminess. And I froze my key lime yogurt, and I also have some regular key lime yogurt as well. And I have some Nelly key lime juice that I also froze those cubes, so my smoothie can be nice and thick and creamy. And we're going to add some coconut milk to it and some condensed milk for our sweetness, because you know it could be a little tart, just like we're making a key lime pie. And I zested my limes. Here are our list of ingredients. Now we're going to add some of our condensed milk in here. I am going to add the whole can because of the tartness that we're going to get from the yogurt as well as the key lime itself. So we have our key lime yogurt that we're going to add in here. And I also took a yogurt and froze the ball to make it so we can get that thickness. So we have a key lime frozen ball here. So now we have our yogurt that I froze. You can use any mold that you have. I happen to have a silicone round mold, so I put that in there. So I'm going to add some diced avocado, frozen avocado. And we're going to add a scoop of our collagen powder. I have some lime that I zested. Actually, the best way to kind of zest your lime so you can get the most bang for your buck is to freeze your citrus, whether it's orange zest you're trying to get or lemon zest, freeze it. I'll show you how quick and smooth this is. Look at that. Here is our vitamin content. Key lime smoothie has the vitamins of the key lime yogurt, which is A, D, and calcium, avocado, B2, B3, B5, B6, C, E, K, folate, healthy fats, magnesium, potassium, and coconut milk, C, folate, iron, magnesium, potassium. So I'm just going to add some zest to this. And this was some key lime juice that I just froze to put into cubes here. And I'm going to add a little bit of ice in here as well. Well, here is our key lime smoothie. Isn't that beautiful? The color green. And we just garnished it with some zest as well as a slice of limes. So Gio, our resident taste tester, is here. And he is going to let us know how good and refreshing it is.
So has like a little bit of the yogurt taste in it, but it also really tastes like the pie. And the avocado, I'm not much of a fan of putting avocado in my smoothies or anything, but you can't really taste it at all in here. And it's the right amount of sweet, and with the zest and everything, it blends all well together, just like a slice of key lime pie.
He is 100% accurate in what he's saying. So we're making a coconut smoothie full of protein and of course a little collagen for our beauty of our hair, nails, and skin. So I just have a little bit of coconut milk here. I'm going to add my coconut yogurt. And I also have another coconut yogurt that I froze into a ball. Here are our list of ingredients. And here it is. But I'm actually going to put first our cream of cocoa in here. And my coconut ball. Now we're going to add our protein powder. This is just a plant-based, non-flavored protein powder. 1 scoop will do, because I'm going to add some collagen. Scoop of collagen here. Here is our vitamin content. Vitamins in coconut smoothie is coconut yogurt, C, folate and thiamine, protein powder, B6, B12, riboflavin, thiamine, pantothenic acid, selenium and zinc, and coconut milk, C, folate, iron, magnesium, potassium. Well, our coconut smoothie is done, and we have our resident taste tester, Gio, who's going to let us know how our coconut smoothie turned out.
Well, it has like a nice, rich and creamy texture and taste to it with the coconut chunks in it too. You know, that adds a nice little, tiny little crunch into it that makes it good.
So I am going to try it out myself. This is just some toasted coconuts that we have on the top, just for garnish. He's right. Definitely coconut rich. I love coconut, not like him, who he could take it or leave it. I love it. It tastes like a milkshake. Okay, so we are going to make a watermelon. Yeah, you heard me. A watermelon smoothie made with watermelon yogurt. And I do have some plain yogurt as well that I'm going to put. So this is my almond milk that I have in here. You can use any milk that you choose or like that you have at home. I just prefer almond milk, so I have almond milk. I am going to add a couple tablespoons of oatmeal, only because it helps thicken, and then we have the added fiber. So all the ingredients and measurements will be included in this video for you. So now we have our extra dose of fiber. All right, now we want to add our yogurt. This is the plain yogurt I have, and then I'm going to add the watermelon yogurt. Our watermelon smoothie vitamin content is watermelon yogurt, A, D, calcium, potassium, and iron. Almond milk, A, D, E, and calcium. Watermelon, A, B5, C, and potassium. Condensed milk, A, B12, D, and calcium. Protein powder, B6, B12, riboflavin, thiamine, pantothenic acid, selenium, zinc, and oatmeal, B1, manganese, biotin, and is high in fiber. Now I'm going to use a non-flavored protein powder. You can use whatever protein powder you choose and you like. Okay, adding the last of the watermelon yogurt in here. And then I have my little bit of my condensed milk for a little bit of the sweetness to kind of tone down the twang and the tang from the yogurt. I know you're probably thinking, oh, watermelon, it's already all sweet. Don't forget that's not necessarily true because it is yogurt. And let me get a scoop of protein here, protein powder. Okay, so now we're gonna add, I had some frozen watermelon balls. Okay, so I'm gonna add a couple pieces of fresh watermelon as well. And the juice. And a couple pieces of ice. And here are a list of ingredients. Food insecurity is one of the nation's leading health and nutrition issues. So we have our watermelon smoothie here, and our resident taste tester Gio's here, and he's going to let us know how it turned out.
Well, let's see. So it actually tastes a lot like watermelon Sour Patch. But it's also very refreshing at the same time because it's all the watermelon and stuff combined. So it's really good in my opinion.
Tastes very much like a watermelon sickle. And I'm saying sickle like a creamsicle, so it tastes like that watermelon creaminess. I thank you so much for hanging out with Gio and I today. Come back and watch us in our next video. And remember, be good to yourself and God bless you.